she got mean, and she got loud. And then I believe it was his.
One of the pivotal disputes that emerged from the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial was the case of the severed finger that occurred in Australia. Depp has accused Amber of cutting off the tip of his finger during a heated argument they had in Australia in August 2015. The actress, her legal team, and now expert witnesses have disputed Depp's accounts of events, but it's now believed the Australian justice system is also taking a bite of the pie. With the incident having occurred in Queensland, a country that is now actively seeking to find and arrest Amber for perjury, among other crimes, a judge there is said to be offended by the Aquaman star's actions in 2015 and believes the Australian authorities should have arrested her for aggravated physical assault. To understand where all this is coming from, let's turn back the hands of time and ask what actually happened to Johnny Depp's finger. Let's find out more. Depp's testimony has always been that the tip of his finger was severed after his ex-wife threw a large bottle of vodka at him during an argument in Australia. She threw the large bottle and it made contact with the bar and shattered everywhere. I honestly didn't feel the pain at first, Depp testified on April 20th. I felt the heat and I felt as if something were dripping down my hand. And then I looked down and realized the tip of my finger had been severed and I was looking directly at my bone sticking out. I don't know what a nervous breakdown feels like, but that's probably the closest I've ever been, Depp continued. I knew in my mind and my heart, this is not life. This is not life. No one should have to go through it, the Oscar nominee narrated the close-to-death ordeal. Initially, Depp admits that he lied to medical professionals after the incident to protect his then-wife, which may also get him in trouble. I didn't want to get her in trouble. I tried to just keep things as copacetic and as easy as possible for everyone, he said. I did not want to put her name in that mix. While Depp's legal team was making their case in court, witnesses, including David Kipper, Debbie Lloyd, and Ben King, described searching the Australian property for Depp's missing finger. On her part, the 3 Days to Kill cast has always denied causing Depp's severed finger. During her own testimony, she disputed Depp's claims and told the jury how the Oscar nominee had caused the injury to himself whilst intoxicated for 3 days. During Amber's time on the witness stand, she described how, on the night in question, Depp had hit her, choked her, and sexually assaulted her with a bottle during the argument. The 36-year-old also said she had taken a sedative and gone to sleep before the accident involving Depp's finger happened. Amber's legal team contends that Depp injured his own finger, and they also highlighted a text in which Depp states that he cut the tip of his finger off. The Australian authorities have been hot on Amber's trail, accusing the Hollywood blonde of disrespecting their laws. The curvy actress is facing even more legal trouble, with the word the FBI is assisting the Australian government as it continues its investigation of perjury allegations. The 36-year-old is being investigated by Australia's Department of Agriculture, Water and Environment over whether she lied under oath after bringing her pet dogs into the country in May 2015. Amber and her ex-husband Depp traveled to Australia in March 2015, with the actress bringing their 2 Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, along for the trip. The then couple got into an argument, which resulted in Depp's finger being severed. However, Amber's issues stem from the fact she checked no on her immigration card about importing anything into the country that had to be declared. Due to Australia's strict quarantine laws, foreign dogs must be quarantined for 10 days when first brought to the country. As a result, officials asked Amber to have the dogs sent away or be euthanized. Depp ultimately flew back to the United States with them, while Amber was charged with illegally importing them to Australia in July 2015. If the authorities in Queensland decided to add the finger incident to Amber's already tainted reputation, things will really get ugly for her, not forgetting the appeal that is now active. There you have it. Do you think the Australian authorities should investigate the finger incident since it occurred there? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we will be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.